Sometimes we want to save images from Google Docs, but when we right click on the image, we don't see any download option. We only see options like crop or replace image. So here is a very simple trick to download images from Google Docs easily. First go to the top menu and click on File. Then go to Share and click on Publish to Web. Here you will see two options, link and embed. Make sure link is selected. Then click on the Publish button. Click OK. Now you will get a public web link. Open this link in your browser. The same Google Docs file will open in a new web version. Now simply right click on the image and click Save Image As, and you can easily download the image to your device. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple tips and tricks like this. Thanks for watching.